About to get to the mountain. Took us a year and a half, but we're here.
Lots of people here. A lot more than last week.
4K.
Hell of people. Hitting drops on the mountain. We got 2 minutes.
Game never stopped.
Game never stopped. We all hit one!
Oh, let's fucking go!
Celebration time.
Woohoo! Oh. Let's get this.
Hell yeah, guys. Oh! Are you okay?
Yeah. Way early on the spin.
Holy fuck! Oh, bro, how are you okay?
I rolled out of that.
You landed straight on your back.
Oh, buddy.
Roll the clip.
Oh, roll the clip. Roll
Oh
the clip,
fuck,
buddy.
bro, you're devastated. Gonna hit a little shortcut, eh? Man. That's pretty. Now we gotta walk to the car. Oof, how you feeling, buddy?
I'm feeling great. Is that believable? My back's a little ruined.
The glizzy. Booty tip number 2. Shake it up beforehand so it's warm.
All right, boys. It's a good fucking day.
Cheers to a good day, boys.
Oh yeah, sir.
Yep. Woo! Risk the chest. Yes, Chris.
Refreshing. Like McDonald's Sprite.